Sad news for a newlywed couple who died tragically mere moments after leaving their own wedding. Weddings are meant to be a new beginning, an exciting start to a new life together. However, that is unfortunately not always the reality. In the UK on July 22nd of 2016, Jarek and Joy Green were in a car with some family members when they were in a head-on collision with a large truck which killed them both as well as the two passengers in the car. They were all pronounced dead at the scene. Their daughter Melanie Ann Green posted a tribute to her parents on Facebook which read, "Dear folks, friends, family, and loved ones. Yesterday was the worst day of my life. Yesterday I lost my mother Joy and my father Derek in a traffic accident outside of Rillington. They were coming back from Leeds from my Uncle Paul's wedding to his partner Sue when their car hit an HGV coming in the opposite direction. Sue and Paul were in the back. All four of them died on the scene. I know a great many people loved my parents. They were amazing, wonderful, weird people. They opened their hearts to the entire world. They were my world." And the tender message continues on her Facebook page. While all four passengers in the car were killed, as was confirmed by a spokeswoman for the North Yorkshire Police, the 26-year-old driver of the truck was not injured in the accident. And what exactly caused this accident is still under investigation. Police are asking for any witnesses who saw either vehicle before the crash to come forward. While only Joy and Derek have been formally identified by the police, their daughter's Facebook post makes the other victims' identities easy to identify. It's stories like this that are important reminders to always cherish every instant. It's very easy to take life for granted and get caught up, but fortunes can change in an instant. And no one knows the crazy reality they'll be inhabiting when they wake up. Here at IO, our hearts and thoughts are going out to all those affected by this tragedy, and we will respect Melanie's request for privacy and send only our well wishes and prayers to her and her whole family. For all those watching, go to whoever you love and give them a big hug. I'm Sasha Wood, thank you for watching IO. All of our links for more details are located down below as always for more details on this sad, sad story. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.